Welcome to Cargo Express from Cargo Insights. Powered by Air Logistics Group, the network GSA. Air Logistics Group celebrates 3 decades of global operations, with 2 decades of exceptional services in India. Understanding your needs: sales, marketing, customer service, finance and administration, business intelligence, maximizing your cargo potential. Established in 2004 with 20 years of experience. Knowledgeable and highly experienced workforce. Pan-India presence including all metro cities of India. Highest standards of integrity to ensure transparency and compliance. Committed to outstanding customer service. Harnessing technology to maximize revenues and minimize cost. Your global GSA partner, setting the industry standard since 1994.
Let us dive into the latest insights in the logistics world. I3PL India appoints V. Raju as Chief Operations Officer and Business Head. RITES secures $4.28 million contract from TCO Africa Logistics. Union Minister Sarbananda Sonowal advocates for Khadi on Gandhi Jayanti. Smartphone exports from India to the US surpass diamonds, driven by iPhones. Jindal Stainless and CJ Dassel collaborate for eco-friendly containers. DHL Express announces 6.9% price hike in India starting January 2025. Lulu Group to build logistics centers in Andhra Pradesh. Zomato aims to train 10,000 women for logistics roles under Project Arya. BCBA holds 39th AGM, an annual function, welcomes new leadership for 2024 to 2026. Bama Lorry and Company to invest 700 crore rupees in FTWZ 3PL and ethanol production. Hans Informatic hosts Algnite Code the Future 2024 Hackathon in AI for Logistics. Triple FAI inaugurates first batch at Dronagiri Skill Development Center under PMKVY 4.0. All Cargo Gati to implement 10.2% general price increase starting January 2025. FCI strengthens storage and transportation with new silo projects across India. Group A Logistics India secures prestigious authorized economic operator certification. Softlink Global hosts Logi Spark 2024. Empowering future leaders in logistics. IATA and FIATA join forces to enhance global air cargo standards with ICHM endorsement. Etihad Cargo marks 20 years of operations in India, plans further expansion. India's container handling capacity set to double, aiming for 40 million TEUs by 2029. India's coal imports rise slightly as coal-based power generation surges. Thanks for watching Cargo Express. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Cargo Insights TV.